Paulk Smart Cradle plans are done. They're in the store, ready for you to download right now. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Woodshop. If you want to get a set of detailed plans to build a smart woodshop for yourself, one of my workbenches, the Smart Cart, or the brand new Smart Cradle, you know what to do. There's a link in the description of the video down below where you can purchase the plans and download them instantaneously, 24/7, 365. The details and dimensions for the Paulk Smart Cradle are specifically for this DeWalt table saw. But I designed the plans with an eye toward using this design for any benchtop tool that I needed to hang off the side of my workbenches. With this plan, I made a cradle for the Craig Foreman. In fact, the how-to build video, the companion video, which will be published next, I built that cradle using these plans to show you how to take these dimensions and scale and convert them to fit whatever benchtop tool you're trying to work with. I used the plans to build the cradle for the rigid benchtop sander, and the most challenging of all was to scale it up to build a cradle for this SawStop JobSite Pro, which I think is the heaviest portable table saw on the market at almost 90 pounds, and being so physically large, I didn't think it was going to be possible, but it has worked out great, and I've been using it for weeks now, and I would not go back to the flip stand that the saw came with. The Smart Cradle is the final piece that brings it all together. I really enjoy the new bench designs. They've worked out really well, but putting them on the cart and making them mobile was, for me, the biggest transition of all, the most functional aspect of all. But then adding the cradle allows that mobility to be complete, so that with the table saw and the Foreman and the sander and all the tools hanging off of it, if I need to move just a little bit, just to be a little more efficient or a little closer to my work, or have to reset for a single operation like a long rip, these cradles and the cart allow me to do that. If you decide to build one of these cradles for yourself or any aspect of the Smart Woodshop, I would really appreciate you sharing some photos and letting the rest of us see how it worked out for you. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.